what I see a lot of people doing with the questions that they can't solve is that they rush to some solution, or they rush to some video, or they rush to some teacher. You should not do that. If I was in your place, I would not ask a teacher. I mean, I would say, okay, teach me the first 50 questions that you want to teach me. I'll learn that. But then I will say, okay, now I cut you off. From here, my problem solving is my own. You need that cushion of self problem solving, because when you go into the exam, you'll have doubts. Even at my level, you talk to anybody who's scoring 100 percentile. Do they have doubts while solving? The answer is yes. They definitely have doubts. Everybody has doubts while solving. No matter how good you are, because these top exams, even banking exams, etc., nowadays, they throw you off your preparation. And movement from the 90-92 percentile to the 98-99 percentile is in the ability to resolve those doubts. Are you able to resolve those doubts on your own, or do you depend on somebody else to answer those questions? You're dependent during your preparation on somebody else to answer those questions. Then what will automatically happen is that inside the exam, you look for somebody else to answer those questions or answer your doubts, and there will be nobody else to answer those doubts. So you are dead and buried the moment you have a doubt inside the exam. The exam checks your doubt resolution process inside your head, because every time you had a doubt, you were going to somebody else to tell you. Then you are a dead duck in the exam.